Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's begin our next challenge, level 11. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password stored in the data.txt file where all lowercase and uppercase letters have been rotated by 13 positions. Let's head over to the terminal. We use the list command to see what files are available to us. Let's see what our file looks like. Here, the letters have been rotated by 13 positions. Let's visualize what is happening. We have the normal alphabet, A to Z, which is then rotated 13 times to the right. A is now substituted by N, and so on. To decrypt this, we just need to go the other way. We need to give a command that translates N to A, and so on. We'll use the tr command. tr translates, squeezes, and/or deletes characters from standard input. So we'll first read our file. Then we use a pipeline to collate our commands. But it also has another function. The pipeline redirects standard output from the first command to standard input from the second command. Then we want to translate our text from the rotated alphabet to the normal alphabet. But we can actually write this shorter. The terminal can read all consecutive letters of a sequence if we just provided the first and the last letter. So our shortened command will look like this. Our first letter of the sequence is N, all consecutive letters until Z, and then the first letter is A, all consecutive letters until M. For the normal alphabet, it is just A to Z. For now, we only have the translation of the lowercase letters, so we'll need to add it for the uppercase ones as well. We just obtained our password. We want to log out by either typing logout, exit, or Ctrl-D. We log in to the next level with the password we just obtained. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 11, we type the reachal command. Everything is successfully synchronized. Let's head over to the reachal website to verify. We update. Congratulations on completing level 11. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support and hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.